I'm talking to truck drivers that are wanting to make at least $2,000 a week guaranteed. Yes, I said it. $2,000 a week guaranteed, as long as you're available for all days that you're scheduled. Dedicated touch freight, 100% touch freight. You do have to unload the trailer. Depending on the account that you're on, will determine if you're on piece by piece touch freight or pushing out the roller containers that are already loaded up. I'm looking for drivers with at least 3 months of experience, must be able to pass a hair drug test going back 120 days, and we will consider drivers that have completed SAP. You do have to be out of SAP at least 120 days because you have to pass the hair drug test. These dedicated accounts are Dollar General, Dollar Tree, and Family Dollar. I've got them all over. It just depends on where you live. The main states are Indiana, Michigan, Kentucky, Tennessee, Ohio, Pennsylvania, New York. If you're in the Midwest, the Northeast, I've got a dollar store account available for you. These runs are home every week for a 34-hour reset. If you're ready to apply, text my cell phone right now, 832-384-5689. Text the word dollar stores. We'll give you more information or answer any questions that you have and send you the link to apply. You can also apply at the link in my description box as well. Again, text dollar stores to 832-384-5689.